Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the two different ways to segregate data in Excel. We have the big data includes competitor name column, which consists of 3 different words, and we need to segregate it. And we need to segregate words by using simple technique. We need to segregate and place in first name column, then we move to second name, and finally move to our third name column. This is what we learned today, but before that you are requested to like, share, and subscribe per YouTube channel. Let's start our example in which we learn to segregate data in 3 different words. We have the data in which we need to segregate by words. In this first method, first we write manually words. Select first cell and write first word from competitor name column. Similarly, then we write second word manually. Finally, write third word from the data. Then we select the next below given cell and type shortcut key Control and E letter. Again, select second word cell and type Control and E. Again, type Control and E. It will automatically drop down remaining data. This is how first method to segregate works. We only need to perform first cell and use shortcut key. Now we use the second method to segregate the data. First, we select the whole column data for segregation. After selecting the whole data set, go on the Data tab to use the text-to-column function. Now select text-to-column function given here. It will also reflect the same data that we want to segregate. Now click on the next option. We need to give instructions by which it will segregate the data, therefore we will select space option. We can see reflection that we want to perform. Now click on the next option. Now we need to assign desired destination. Destination is important, otherwise it will overwrite our data. Now click on the Finish option. Now click on the OK option. This is how we can segregate our data. If you face any issue, please write in our comment section.